You are about to watch me make $3,600 in a matter of minutes using the same setup and same approach that I use every single day. I run the same scans every day when the market opens. I'm always looking for tickers that have recently fired. I'm looking for stacked EMAs, and I'm looking for aligned histograms across 5 different time frames. Hello and welcome back. Dr. B here with Ready, Set, Grow. And on this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Check the description for the scans I used in the video, my social media handle, as well as a link to my Discord server. I am running my scans across the various time frames looking for a trade. Right now I am on the 1 hour time frame, and SE caught my attention. Fired short 1 hour, meets all conditions for a put. EMAs are stacked negative across all the time frames, and it also fired short on the 4 hour time frame. So I'm going to be looking for a trade on SE. I usually trade the next week expiration date, and I always trade at the money or in the money. So I am interested in the 58 put. I'm going to place an order for the 58 put, 15 contracts, confirm and send, and I am filled on SE and negative. SE has not gone positive for me today, so I am going to swing this and see what happens tomorrow. The reason I'm swinging this is because the setup is holding, so there is no reason for me to cut it. SE gapped down on Tuesday morning, and I was able to exit this trade with a $2,190 gain. So kudos to SE. I did alert this in my server and we made money. And that was the first trade of the day. That was me exiting SE green. I see that ENPH has fired long on the 2 hour time frames. It has stacked EMAs across 5 time frames, and the histograms are aligned. So I am interested in taking ENPH long. Okay, I am looking for calls for ENPH. I'm going to check the next week's expiration, and looking at the 305 call, first of all, it's super expensive and the spread is wide. So I'm going to check for the same week expiration. I normally don't trade the same week expiration, but I'm going to for this trade because it was way too expensive. So now I am interested in the 305 call for the same week. I'm going to grab 10 contracts, confirm and send, and I am in this trade. I go green immediately. I'm going to get my sell order ready so that I can get out of this ticker quickly. It is moving wildly. Price action is moving all over the place, and I just want to be ready. I ended up selling one of my contracts in my attempt to close this trade. So I need to go back in and set up a sell order for all 9 contracts that are left. So that's what you see me doing now. Setting up a sell order. I'm already up over $1,000 and ended up closing this for $1,440. I live by these scans. This is how I find every single trade every day. If you like my content, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.